It was a perfect kind of winter day here in Kyiv today. Snowy, everything blanketed in white. Almost silent this morning when I got up, as people were slow to get moving around. But it wasn't long before the first air raid broke that silence. And now there's another one. Last night we saw 43 Shaheds come in, 41 of them taken out by territorial defense because they are the best people in the world. But this is just your daily reminder that the war in Ukraine continues. And the government of the United States, Mike Johnson, has launched an impeachment inquiry against the president with zero evidence of any crimes being committed. They are a prosecution in search of a crime. I'll tell you what the crime is: the abnegation of duty and lying to the American people. That's the crime. And Mike Johnson and the MAGA Republicans are behind it. Make no mistake. They are lying to you, America. While the real crime is that they are undermining our position as the leader of the free world. That's what they're doing.